Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you all safe at home? Don't go anywhere outside the house because it is very hot now. So stay at home and be safe, children. Okay, children. In the previous class, which chapter I started? I started money chapter. I told you, I showed you the notes, and in this one, in WhatsApp group also, online group also, I have sent some coins and notes which I were having. I have collected, no, that one. So I have sent the photo also. And some textbook work also I sent. Have you done all those things? Have you completed? Now, today, remaining mains. Which are the remaining mains we have? In that one, three of the mains, let us take now. So what I told you, in India, we call the money as, we call the currency notes and coins as rupees and paise. Understand? The smaller unit is paise and the bigger unit is rupees. So when the rupees and paises in India, what do? We will call in India as rupees and paise, I told you. But in other countries, they will call it as dollars, reals, pounds, and all. Understand? But in our country, we call it as rupees and paise. Understood? So, rupees is the bigger unit and paise is the smaller unit. 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? So, if you take 100 paise, then it will be equal to 1 rupee. Understood? So that all I told you now. Then I told you to differentiate between rupees and paise, a dot is kept. Understand? So symbol, what is the symbol of rupees now? Rupees, the symbol of rupees is Hindi Ra, children. You will write like this. Symbol is like this, you will write. Understood? So I told you a dot is kept in the middle to differentiate between rupees and paise. To show that which is rupees and which is paise, a dot is kept in the middle. Understand? So, for example, you will write like this 20. Here one dot is kept here, and here you will write 50. So, how do you read this? You read this as 20 rupees 50 paise. A dot is given here to separate this rupees and paise. Understand? And when you stand like this, children, this is to your left side. So whatever we write left side of the dot is rupees. So rupees you may get in 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. It continues like that, rupees. But what you write to the right side of the dot is paise. Understood? Paise will have only 2 digits, children. For example, if you want to write 5 paise, if you want to write 5 paise means, see no rupees here, 0.05. If you write like this, it is considered as 5 paise, children. Understand? Even though if you take 1 digit paise, then 0 should be added after the dot here. So always you have 2 digits in paise place. But in rupees place, you have 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. It continues like that. Understood? So now, this all I explained you in the previous class. Now, let us take up the next main, children. So, we will start this main, children. See, one main is about write the numbers equal to the given cost. Write the numbers equal to the given cost means what you have to do is, for example, here, I will give rupees 10. Rupees 10 is given. Understood? And what I will do is, here, I will ask you to pick 4 coins, children. You have to pick 4 coins. 1 coin, 2 coins, 3 coins, 4 or 5 coins, children. I'll ask you to pick 5 coins here. Understand? You should pick and give me 5 coins of equal number and it should be 10 rupees. How you will pick? See here, 5 coins. So what you will do? 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. So in 5 anza, when do you get 10? 5 2s are 10. So what you will do here? You will write rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2. Understand? You have to distribute equally, children, here. Understood? You cannot distribute here 2 rupees, here 5 rupees, like that you cannot distribute here. So write the numbers equal to the given cost. Since coins will be given here. How many coins will be there? That will be given there. So you have to arrange equally to all the this one. See here rupees 10 is there. Equal to 10 rupees, you have to arrange the amount to the 5 coins also. Understood? So now for example, if I give rupees 15 and I will give you 3 coins. 3 coins you have to take out, but it should be in the equal 3 coins also. Either you have to take out the coin of 1 rupee, coin of 2 rupee or 5 rupee. I don't know that one. But you should take all the 3 coins of the same number, but it should be equal to 15 rupees. So what you will do? 15 divided by 3. In division, you are arranging no children like this. Here, 20 would have given. If we give here like this, 4. In division, you are doing 20 should be divided among 4. So you are taking 4 5s are 20 and you are writing here 5, 5, 5, 5. In the same way, this one also you should do. So 15 should be divided among 3. So when you take 3 ones, when do you get 15? In 3 ones, 3 5s are 15 you will get. So what you will do here? Rupees 5. Rupees 5. Then rupees 5. Understood? So you will do like this, children, here. Then this one, any number can be written here. But in this one, you have to see that whether you have that coin or not. You don't have 3 rupee note or 3 rupee coin. So you cannot write rupees 3 there. Understood? Whichever the coins you have, whichever the notes you have, among that only you have to write. So like this you have to divide, children. This is about one main. Next main is about rupees 8 using rupee 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5 notes or coins. Make rupee 8. You should make 8 rupees using 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin or note. Nowadays you don't have notes, so let us use only coins only. Understood? Now what you will do is rupees 8. They have told you, they have given you 4 coins. You should pick 4 coins, children. You should pick 4 coins. Understand? Any 4 coins you pick, but it should be 8 rupees. How you will pick? I don't know. So what you will do now? So 4 divided by 8 you will. 8 divided by 4 you will do. So 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 4 coins if you take, it will become 8 rupees. So what you will do? Here you will write rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2 and rupees 2. So this is one type of coins you can pick. Now I will ask you to pick only 3 coins. You have to pick only 3 coins. I don't know whichever coin you will pick, whether you can take 5 rupees, whether you can take 1 rupee or 2 rupee. Here, it should be divided equally, children. But here, whichever you want, you can divide it. Understand? So here, 3. In 3 ones, you won't get 8. But if you can take these coins and arrange, you can get 8 rupees. So you can make 8 rupees. So how you will make now? See here, for example, if you take rupees 5, rupees 8, sorry, 2 rupees and rupee 1. So if you take this, see it becomes 8. See here, 5 rupee, say 2 rupee and 1 rupee. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So it becomes 8 rupee. So like this, we will give the number of coins. In this main, we will give the number of coins. 2 coins, 3 coins, however we want, we will give. Understood? But what you have to do is, you have to taking these coins, you have to arrange it equal to the number given. Here I have given make rupees 8. 8 rupees you have to do. 8 rupees you have to take and give. Coins are in one bowl, we have kept 1 rupee coin. In another bowl, we have kept 2 rupee coins. And in another bowl, we have kept 5 rupee coins. Understand? You can take any coin and you can make 8 rupees like that. If I ask you to give 3 coins, you can take like this. If I ask you to go take 4 coins, you can take like this, 2 rupees coin and you can give. Understood? Now, one more example I will show you. See, for example, now I'll ask you to do some other rupees using some notes, children, here. Understand? See, for example, make rupees 50. Rupees 50 you should make using 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. Understood? You should make 50 rupees using 5 rupee note or coin, 10 rupee note or coin and 20 rupee note or coin. In a bowl, we have kept 5 rupees separately. Many 5 rupees will be there. Many 10 rupees will be there. Many 20 rupees will be there in different 3 bowls. You should pick and give us. Which are the options you can make? Tell me now. You can 50 rupees. To make 50 rupees, which are the options you can make? Tell me. Now, for example, first let me use 20 rupees. When you use 20 rupees, if you use 220 rupees, it will become 40. When you use 320 rupees, it will become 60. It won't become 50. So what we can do? 220 rupees note and 110 rupee note you can use. So here you can use, see here, a box will be given like this. You should use here, children. So you can use 3 notes here, that is of rupees 20, rupees 20 and rupees 10. So this is one option you can use. And one more option is you can use five 10 rupee notes. Rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10 and rupees 10. This is one more option you can use. Understood? So one more option I'll show you here. Here one more option is either you can use 10 rupee notes or you can use this one, what 5 rupee notes. See, for example, I'll show you now. See here, rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10. So here you can use rupee 5, rupees 5, rupees 5 and rupees 5. See children, 10, 20, 30. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 rupees. So you can use in many ways. See here option will be given by us. So you have to divide it equally. Here sometimes option will be given by us for coins and now notes you can only use. Using these notes you should make 50 rupees. 2 or 3 options we will give. You should do it, children. Understood now? Now coming to the next main, children. Coming to the next main, question will be given. See, for example, here, for example, you take 24 rupees is given here. Understood? And in front of the box, in front of that box, many options will be given. For example, see here, For example, here rupees 10. Then again rupees 10. Then rupee 5. Rupees 5. Here coin rupee 5. Then here one coin rupee 2. Rupees 2. Rupees 1. Rupee 1. Rupee 1. Rupee 1. See, this is the question given, children, for you. What you have to do is color the notes and coins. Color the notes or coins, whatever it is given here, that you need to pay the given sum. See here it is given rupees 24. Understand? Rupees 24 you have to give. You have to pick the notes and coins here. To pick that, what you have to do, it is given already. Rupees 10 is given, 10 is given, 5, 5, 2, 5, everything is given here, rupees and coins. You have to color it, that's all. When you take one color, you have to finish it in one color only, this one. Understood? If you, for next one, next color you should take. Now I have taken pink color chalk, children. See here, 24 rupees. See, for example, you will color here 10 rupees, 10 you will color here. Understood? See, next one, you can color either rupees 10 or two notes of 5 or one 5 rupee note and one 5 rupee coin. Whichever you want, you can color to make it 20. So what I will do, I will color one 5 rupees note. ₹5 and then one 5 rupee coin. So now it became 20 rupees, children. Like either you can color rupees this 10 or 5 also you can color. So now 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 rupees over now. Now you have to color 4 rupees. 24 is given now, so 4 rupees you have to color now. Either you can color 2 rupees, ₹2, 2 coins you have. Either you can color both of this, it will become 4, or you can color 1 rupees 2 also. Option is left to you. But at last, when you do the total, it should be 24 rupees. So 1 rupee here and 1 rupee here I will color. Option is given to you to color, but at last it should be equal to 24 rupees. Here 10 rupees I have colored, 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. See here 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, 23, 24 rupees. Understood? Understood, children? This is one type of mail. Understand? So in textbook and workbook, you have the exercises. I will post you in the online group. Then you have to finish it, that one. Understood? If you don't understand, watch the video again and do it. Here, we only have given the option. We have given equally, you have to divide here. Like division, we will do now that one. Here, option for if you want 3 notes, you can take 20, 20 and 10. If we give 5 notes, we can take 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and to make 50 rupees. So this will also change and this will also change. It is your knowledge how you will bifurcate the notes. Understood, children? So in this also, you have to color. The notes will be given here, but you have to color and choose. Understood, children? Now you have understood, I think. So go through the video on 2 or twice or thrice, and then you understand it properly. I'll put the exercises of textbook and workbook in the online class. So better you can complete it. Understood, children? Okay, children, thank you. Bye.